You are welcome to the BOE appeal process. Please go through the following points. The declarant logs in here with a username and a given password. Number 1, click on Clearance. Number 2, select Declaration. Number 3, click on Additional Information. Number 4, select Declaration Notice. Number 5, search with the BOE number and click on the specific BOE. Number 6, under the Assessment tab, scroll down and click on the Object button on the bottom right. Number 7, check on Item or Items for Appeal under the Appeal column. Number 8, key in the reason for the appeal in the opinion box. Number 9, add supporting documents for appeal, if any. Number 10, click on Submit. Thank you for going through the BOE appeal process.